They don't room?
Right. Do not disturb until I'm asleep.
Look. Got a magazine on the floor?
And air freshener? Ooh,
What, you ran out of toilet paper? You need some more toilet paper?
Now you gotta give credit whoever did this. They took their time.
Can I borrow some toilet paper?
I spent. Wait till you see the video from that 30 Cent, Sherman.
Oh, Sherman, you weren't here. Oh my God,
Yes.
Sherman.
12 people.
Sherman, it was hilarious.
You weren't here for Dirty Santa.
Oh man.
You missed a good one.
Well, let's just say I was being dirty.